I'm Alex Michael May. I'm a creative director, body positive advocate, and IPSY Open Studios creator. I moved to Los Angeles to pursue writing and improv comedy, and through this crazy random series of events, I ended up working as a prop stylist. I was actually in-house as a creative director for a company, and about a year ago, I stepped in front of the camera for the first time and started creative directing myself. I had spent my whole life hating my body and feeling like I wasn't good enough and I didn't have what it took to do what I really wanted. I felt like I spent my life building the dreams of other people and just kind of ignoring my own. One day, I decided that I needed to do what I was called to do, which was be a voice for people, inspire people, and that required me being seen, and that was really scary. I decided to do this crazy experiment, try radical self-love, step in front of the camera, and just give it a shot. In the beginning, it was really nerve-wracking to be in front of the camera. It was really exciting at the same time. I remember the first time I put on an outfit I was really excited about, and I let my friend take my photo. And when I saw the photo, I remember thinking, I look awesome. This is fun. This is okay. This isn't scary. I'm not a monster. Like, it's okay. From that point forward, I just put body positive hashtags. I pressed post. I started engaging with a community of women from all walks of life, all different shapes and sizes and colors, and I felt that I could see beauty everywhere. I feel beautiful when I am myself, when I'm not trying to fit into any mold or impress anybody, and I'm truly doing things that make my heart happy. I realized I could be myself. I could be exactly who I am and who I was created to be right now. I didn't have to wait to be happy until I fit this mold or became, quote, perfect according to society standards. I feel like this last year for me has been such a glow up. I've rediscovered my personal style, totally come out of my shell, and I feel like I'm a completely different person than I was a year ago. For me, creativity comes when it's least expected. I love wearing things that are bold, and all the looks that I pulled today are all of that. They're glittery, they're sparkly, they're extra, but they're still a little mysterious and sophisticated. They definitely feel like they're from another era, and I really like that. I spent way too long letting people tell me what looked good on me, letting people tell me what I should wear and what I should do and how I should look and how I should act. As soon as I took that first step out in faith, everything changed. What I would say to anyone watching this is you can be brave in baby steps. The world needs you to be you, and that's so powerful.